do it. Think this is a joke? Huh? Take it down? Shit ain't coming down. That's what you want. You don't want your image to be tarnished? Well, shit not coming down, nigga. You fuck with the wrong one today. You mess with the wrong person. I promise you that. You mess with the wrong black person. The wrong black girl, brother. You mess with the wrong black girl. So yeah, let me tell you guys what's going on, right? So I just got off a three-way call with the head of the label head at VP and DJ Frass, right? I just got off the phone with the label head of VP and DJ Frass. And guess what? Jah Cure, y'all, you know, all my people, thank y'all, because guess what? All the stuff you guys have been reposting and stuff, he saw it to the point where he's trying to call me from unknown numbers because I blocked his number on WhatsApp. So now he's trying to call me from another number now, a number that I don't have registered for him. He has DJ Frass blowing up my phone last night. I let them know the only way that I am not suing everyone involved is if I get 100% of the publishing credit. They're trying to tell me share. Share? Is that a joke? I just realized that my mother is here on live, so I have to keep the cursing down to a minimum, or not at all. Man, like, Alf, why you had to do that though, for real? Like, I'm trying to vent right now. Could you guys ask my mother to leave the live so I can speak as freely as I want to? Someone? Anyone? Anyway, yeah. And guess what? He's like, no, I can have the credit that I want, but take down the proof that I have splattered all over my Facebook. Really? I told them hell no. I told them hell no. It is staying up. I want you guys to share it. I want you guys to talk about it, play the song, whatever it is. His song, and I'm sorry. I am sorry to DJ Frass and anyone who's a fan of his, because real talk, DJ Frass put up money for this song, this entire project, Road to Success. But that particular song, a video has been shot for this song, Rotten Souls. Everything. At least that's what he says, but partially I think they're just saying that to get me to change my mind. I let them know they can take the song down, they can do whatever they want with the song, as long as it doesn't appear anywhere, and as long as, if it does, I am 100% the sole creditor and owner, credited songwriter and owner of the track. Fine. They're like, take it down. Can you imagine this? You have VP head calling me to fight your battles for you? Huh? They didn't even know that I did all this work for Jah Cure. When I said this to the guy, when I said that I wrote more than one song for Jah Cure, it's not just one song, it's a bunch of them. DJ Frass was like, what? He went and got the label head on the phone, three-way immediately. All right? And the two of them on the phone are trying to convince me that I should take down the proof, because you know why? Let me tell y'all why. Let me give you a little insight. You see, his album is coming out. Now, they do say no press, all press is good press. They do say that. But you see, this press, this is terrible press for Jah Cure, because this deals with his album. His album is about to launch in next month. So he doesn't want this. Well, guess what? Guess what? Like I just finished told DJ Frass and the label head of VP, he made his bed and he's about to lie in it. However he chooses to lie down there, that's on him. However he chooses to lie down, that's on him. Let me tell y'all something. Jah Cure is not the first person to do this crap to me. But you know what? He's about to pay for everyone else. And he thinks he's on top of the world. He's like, because Jah Cure wants the song down right now. Yeah, he thinks he's hurting me. He thinks he's hurting me by taking the song down. My people, you already heard the song. Y'all love the song. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead. They can take the song down, because guess what? I am nowhere on the song right now. So it's not hurting me. Like, the song has been available for pre-order since June. It went on sale on August 2nd. You don't see royalties or nothing like that from songs like up until a year. So I'm not stupid. This isn't about money. I worked a year and a half off all of these songs for the credit, the songwriting credit to launch my career, and this is what this nigga does. Nah, bruh. No, Jah Cure, I'm gonna leave this video up for you. I want you to see it. And go on my Instagram, because I know you have people. And don't have nobody call me, alright? And you don't call my phone. Don't call my phone. All these months, you didn't have my number to reach out to me. Suddenly you found that same number to call from a different number, to give to DJ Frass, to all these things. You found the number suddenly, right? That's alright. None of these things are going down. Jah Cure, let me tell y'all something. Even while all these things were going on yesterday, I said to Jah Cure, I actually reached out to this man, you know, to try to kill the drama, because I did not want any of this. All I wanted was to be credited for the work that I did. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. That is it. Now they're trying to convince me that Jah Cure had nothing to do with this era where my name was not on the songwriter thing. It wasn't them. It wasn't him. It was someone else. And he wasn't the one who did it and whatnot. He wasn't the one who did it? Okay. How about when you asked him the first time, when you first heard the song, he told you he wrote it? How about the second time he changed his tongue and he told you him and a girl wrote it? And then the third time, he says, oh, she wrote it. So that doesn't tell me he's at fault. If I'm Jah Cure and a songwriter writes a song for me, and she's accusing me of essentially stealing her credit for the song, yo, you know the first thing I would do? I would try to shut this girl up right away. The first thing I would do, go get proof, get my people, whoever it is, get whatever. You know what he did? He said, I send them your information, and if it's wrong, it's not. It was DJ Frass, because he is the one who does it. He basically told me it wasn't him, it was DJ Frass, and sent me his number. Send me DJ Frass's number to give to him. So, oh wow, the camera was dirty the entire time? Wow. Okay. Send me his number to give to him and to call him. So that's why I said, what am I calling this man for? This man I didn't write a song for this man. What am I calling him for? Then, he gave DJ Frass my number, blowing up my phone. And listen to me, I have mad love and respect for DJ Frass. And I cannot apologize to DJ Frass enough that this is going down, because guess what? I don't know how many of you have peeped the Road to Success rhythm album, but he would have to take down the whole album to take down the song if it's being taken down. I said, listen, homie, I know, I understand this. I know how it works. I have released my own projects and they messed it up. I had to take the whole thing down and redo it. I get it, but guess what? I don't care. I'm sorry. They're like, oh, all the money that's been spent, and this and that and the third. I'm like, yeah, you have money to spend. You see me with any? Huh? You think you have money to spend? That's the difference between you, this person from VP, and Jah Cure, is that y'all all have money to spend. Now, what? Tell me now. You have these people. These people. I understand. Listen to me. I'm not a bitch. Okay. I understand that DJ Frass put a lot of work into this thing. He did. Years in the making. I get it. I get it. I get that. But guess what? Guess what? I don't care. I don't care. This is not going unanswered. Jah Cure is not gonna ride this wave. This is not going to be swept under a rug. Nothing like that is going to happen. Jah Cure, people will see who you are. And I know you're coming on my Facebook. I left it public just for you, Jah Cure, to see. And go to my Instagram so you can see the rest of the messages I left for you. You see, my mother watches my Facebook, so I have to be a little respectful here. But go to Instagram. Go to my Instagram, Jah Cure, so you can see how I really feel about you. And you want to do something about it, my guy? Try it. Try to do something about it, because right now I can take your ass to court right now, because right now my song is being streamed and available for sale, and I am not credited anywhere on it as nothing. Okay, so you want to do something, do it. But guess what? All this proof is staying up. You're stupid and uneducated. You went and blocked me on Instagram so you can erase the conversation history. I know you did not think of that on yourself, on your own, because you're too dumb. Someone told you that. So there you go. But guess what? Guess what? You know what I was doing before music, Jah Cure? Guess what I was doing before music for 13 years, my guy, in an official capacity. And for how many years when I was at home still going to school? IT, my guy, computers and shit. Like, I know computers like the back of my hand. You don't understand. So guess what, my guy? One of the things I have to know when working with IT is all the social media apps. So you think I didn't have a way to take all these screenshots of all this stuff? Guess what else I have, Jah Cure? Guess what? You remember our WhatsApp relationship? You know where the messages, the voice messages, the text messages, all the receipts I have of all the shit? Like, stop this, my guy. Stop this. Stop this. You're uneducated. You have no common sense. Hey, you telling me you threaten me with taking down a song. Nigga, take down the song. I am not benefiting in no way with the song. The only, matter of fact, you know what I benefited from? Not the song, but the wrong that was done to me because of the song. All right? So take it down if you want. Go ahead and take it down. But guess what? Guess what? All that is fine and good, Jah Cure. All that is fine and good. My guy, I warned you before I wrote one song for you. Remember that first song I wrote for you? Conqueror? You remember that song? Coming up a poor youth back home. I used to dream about American roads, and they could take me to the places I now go. You remember that song? Yeah. Yeah, well, you called me right away when you heard it. You remember that? Yeah. And guess what, Jah Cure? Guess what? Do you remember that producer, my guy? Do you remember, Jah Cure, that producer friend of yours who came and told you, yo, I want to work with this girl? My guy, you remember him, Jah Cure? Jah Cure, you know I ran into him today with all this drama, Jah Cure. The same guy, and I am telling this guy about a story of a guy, a producer that wanted to work with me, and it's turning out it is the producer I'm speaking to. And guess what? He did the same things, same dirty, nasty things to that producer / songwriter. That is your cure. Babylon, take back the cure right now. But that's alright. You only take him back if he broke the law. But guess what though? Let me tell you something. I am from St. Lucia. I cannot dictate the rest of the Caribbean. But yo, I am trying to come to St. Lucia for the sole purpose of making sure that my island knows you're not getting no love when you come here, my nigga. You're not. You're not. You're not getting no love. Alright? I will spread this as far. You know Jamaica Star. You know how you love Jamaica Star, right? I'm about to call them tomorrow, my guy. None of this is coming down. None of it is coming down. You should have done the right thing. You had me believing up until May 29th that these songs would have been on the Royal Soldier album. Huh? My nigga, you remember the song I wrote for you with Major Lazer? For the mouth of the wicked, it is opened up against me. They have spoken up against thee, Rastaman. Well, I can't close it. Royal soldier, I was chosen to disclose another lesson unto men. So why you think I put the line Royal Soldiers in there, huh? Because you came to me and asked me to write it for the album. Alright? If you forgot these things, I have all of it on WhatsApp, my guy. Try me. You mess with the wrong one. Try me, Jah Cure. I want you to try me. Try it and see where you end up. I have nothing to lose here. I am already the loser. I am in the valley, my guy. That's where I am. I'm in the valley. You're on the mountain. But guess what? Guess what? I am watching you from that valley so carefully. And I will watch you tumble down. Tumble, tumble, tumble down. I will watch you tumble down from that mountain. And you know what's going to happen? You're going to watch me climb up that same mountain from the valley. And it's starting already. You don't know what kind of beast and demon you just unleashed inside of me. You don't even know, Jah Cure. You don't even know. I want you to try something, my guy. Try it. Let me show you the men that the rich, right? The men that you think you are. I'm about to show you who I actually am. Try me. Try, just try it. Just try it, Jah Cure. I promise you. Keep having people call my phone, because that's what you think you're a man, but you can't even think. Try it. Have people just keep egging me on, and watch what's gonna happen. I am contacting every major media outlet across the damn Caribbean. Jah Cure, I said I was gonna do all these things when you first snubbed me for the Royal Soldiers album, because I'm like, a whole year and a half I worked for you, and I literally have nothing to show for it. Huh? All the people I said, yo, can you believe it? I'm working with Jah Cure. I'm writing for Jah Cure. I remember people used to look at me, and I know they're thinking, nah, this girl's lying, son. Huh? This girl's lying or whatever. And I'm like, nah. And I know that's what people were thinking. I would have thought the same thing too, because what I'm a regular person, and suddenly out of blue I'm just coming, oh yeah, I'm working for a Grammy nominated Billboard artist. I would call me a liar too. Huh? But guess what though? I knew it was the truth, so I didn't care what people thought. I was excited about that. Every time this man sends a new instrumental, yo, I am excited as a mother to write the song for this nigga. And song after song, sometimes 2 songs in one message in one go. I'm sending like 2 recordings for him or whatever. How do you think all this stuff got recorded? You thought I did it on my iPhone? That's why you thought I did it on my iPhone or something? How do you like, come on? I asked this man, do you perform for free? Do you make appearances for free? When you do collabs or you collab with someone else, is that free? So, but a nobody like me can write music for you for a year and a half for free? Huh? And what? The experience was good. Is that what I have to show for it? Can you imagine? I cannot even explain how that feels. That thing has affected me so much. I am not lying to tell you. I am ashamed to say I haven't written a song since then. I can't write. It has affected me so much. I'm like, a year and a half and nothing? This is not about money. This was about establishing myself in this industry. That's what it was about. And if this man had done what he was supposed to do, that's what would have happened. But that's all right, Jah Cure. You did something greater for me. And I'm realizing that now. You see the fire you just lit under myself, not just my ass, but my people in St. Lucia, and my St. Lucian people up here as well. You see the fire you just lit under everyone? You just asked for trouble. You didn't mess with me, my guy. You messed with St. Lucia. You messed with the island. You messed with the island, not just me. You messed with the island of St. Lucia. And you will feel. I wrote music for him, Ivan, or whoever this is, for a year and a half. That's what happened. I'm sorry, I'm not even paying attention to the quotes or whatever, because this is really me venting. But you know, this is fine. I'm glad my mom is there to keep me calm and whatnot, because I'm already feeling better and whatnot because otherwise I would probably really be going off like I did on Instagram. So it's cool. But you want to know something, my guy? You're right, and it is, and that's all right. The reason I haven't pursued any sort of legal action was because of DJ Frass. Let me make that clear. DJ Frass is not responsible for nothing in here. He's not in this. He didn't do anything. Because he's about to lose now, he's trying to convince me that Jah Cure wasn't responsible either, but I'm not buying that. And you know what? Even if Jah Cure really is not responsible for this, I still don't care. Because you know what? I still have a year and a half I still have a year and a half of hard ass work and nothing to show. So whatever is to be will be. And that's it. 758 all the way. That's it. This guy, he's right. You went from a cure to a disease. Huh? When Barris and Capleton bestowed that blessing on you, you forgot that? You forgot it was someone who saw you as a nobody like me and saw something in you and decided to bless you, and you forgot all too quickly? You forgot we came from the same place, the same Caribbean, we're the same black people, the same West Indian people? Like, stop this stuff. And you're doing this to other people as well? Can you imagine the same producer that he tried to stop me from working with turns out he did the same thing to him and probably worse? Like, Jah Cure, stop this shit. Like, stop this right now. There's no need to speak to any lawyers right now, because they I let them know the song either needs to come down or I need to get my 100% credit. Now, I don't know what they're doing, because I let them know that I needed to get off the phone with them because I was just going off on them. They kept just going back and forth, right? We understand your frustration, we get that, but work went into it, and I understand that, and you think about the publishing rights, and you'll always have this and this and that and the third. Listen to me. You think this song that I'm not getting credit or getting, whatever the case may be, right? You think this one song, you think I just have this one song under my belt? Like, Jah Cure knows who I am, And you know what he did too? And I know he was the one who did that. He sent Christopher Martin, the nigga that sings "Don't Let Me Cheat on My Girlfriend." He sent him into my DMs in a smart way. I knew it was him who did that. He sent Christopher Martin to my DMs in a smart way. Jah Cure, listen, my guy. My only desire for you, my only good hope for you, Jah Cure, is that when Karma come looking for you, she doesn't skip you, man. I don't want her to skip you and go to that little girl of yours. Because Karma does that. She skips us and goes to our kids who didn't do nothing. I want Karma to get you and only you. And guess what? While Karma is gearing up for you, I will I'm gonna continue letting the whole world know what the fuck you did to me. Thank you.